Hey boys and girls, for this activity you're going to want your 5 frame or your 10 frame and a magic erase marker. We're going to be learning about the butterfly life cycle. It's a pattern. It happens over and over and over again. So I want you to think back to when you watched Miss Haley read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. What did the caterpillar start as on the leaf under the moon? An egg. So right here, we're going to start by drawing the egg. All right, now think. What happens next? The egg hatches into a caterpillar. Let's draw our caterpillar next. All right, so then the caterpillar eats, and he eats, and he eats, and he eats until he gets a stomachache. And then he eats some leaves, and then he turns into a cocoon or a chrysalis. A chrysalis is kind of like a triangle shape. So we're going to try to draw that. Now, the caterpillar is in the chrysalis and he metamorphosizes, he changes into a butterfly, right? Now a butterfly has an oval body. And then we're going to draw 4 circles for his wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then the butterfly lands on a leaf and it's going to lay it's going to lay eggs. I'm going to keep the pattern going. All right. So the egg hatches into a caterpillar. All right, if you have a 5 frame, you might want to make some lines to make your pattern longer. So we're gonna go down here, we're gonna make our caterpillar. All right, caterpillar eats and eats and eats and eats until it turns into it hangs upside down on a branch and it turns into that's right, a chrysalis or cocoon. Remember, that's that upside down triangle-ish like shape. All right, and then after it spends some time in the chrysalis for a while, it metamorphosizes, it changes into a butterfly. Yeah. Draw your butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the butterfly lands on the leaf and it lays an egg. Draw your egg. Then the egg hatches into a caterpillar. And the life cycle keeps going and going and going. It happens over and over and over because it's a pattern. All right, put your lid on your marker. Now we're going to point to our pattern and say what happens. So start at your egg. Ready? Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. The pattern keeps happening over and over. That is the life cycle of a butterfly. Have a great day, everyone.